Hey guys, Casey here with Lions Den Investments and Reviews. Look, I just want to, tell you I'm sorry I haven't been able to shoot many videos, especially, since probably October 2019 to now. And the reason why is because I really was struggling trying to keep the cash flow going and, keep paying the bills. Uh, I had a lot of contracting jobs that I was doing, so I didn't really have my feet on stable ground yet as I was trying to build out the channel. But I'm back and I'm on stable ground now, so I'm gonna start trying to shoot more videos going into the future, like just kind of explaining what it is I'm doing and some of the investments I'm making right now. But we did move into a new house last year, basically when I started this channel, and we just made a new addition to the house here, which is a new pool that we just put in. So I'll just kind of show you what that is back here in the background. There's a lot of houses going up behind us right now, which is good. So we're building some equity there in our new home. But I just wanted to give you an update real quick, show you that I'm still here and I'm still thinking about, growing this channel and taking it seriously, creating new content as we move through this transition. I know a lot of people are struggling right now, a lot of hard times people are going through, but you just got to take a step back, take a deep breath, and try to clear your mind from all the craziness that's going on right now politically. Um, you know, I really don't have to tell you guys, what we're going through. Everybody knows. So, like I said, just keep your head up. Try to stay busy. If you can find something that you're really passionate about, as far as a skill set or whatever it is that you would be good at and you enjoy doing, that'll definitely help, pass the time and take your mind off all the craziness around you. Because one thing I've learned through time is, like, if you're not focusing on something positive, then the alternative is you're probably focusing on something negative. Okay? And that's when things go south for most people. So if you want to keep that positive mindset, focus on things that you enjoy doing. Okay? I'll leave it at that. I don't want to make this video too long, but I just wanted to say hi, check in on you guys, tell you I'm still here, and I'll be shooting some videos here in the future and updating with some new content. Take care, and I wish you guys the best.